Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by forcing the clean state, update Fortnite and your GPU drivers, then quit overlays and non-essential apps so nothing interferes. Once done, close the Epic launcher, navigate to the Fortnite install folder, and delete the web cache and saved cache folders to remove corrupted movement files. Make sure to back up keybinds first if you customize them. This immediate reset often restores default movement responsiveness and eliminates stale settings causing stutter or input delay. Now refine how the game reads your inputs. Switch your mouse/controller polling to 1000 Hz if your hardware supports it for smoother, more consistent movement. Once done, open Fortnite's input settings and lower smoothing and input lag features. Choose raw input so movements map directly. Make small sensitivity changes. Drop 10 to 20% if jitter is present, or increase slightly if movement feels delayed. Test in a creative map between each change to feel the difference and iterate until finish by validating changes. Jump into a creative course and perform a 60-second movement and build test while monitoring FPS and input latency. If movement still feels off, perform a clean driver uninstall and reinstall, then reinstall Fortnite to eliminate corrupted installs. Make sure to test a different mouse or controller on the same PC to isolate hardware faults. If the alternate device solves it, replace or service the original. If none of these steps work, contact support with your logs and test results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.